All right, beautiful people out there, welcome. Yes, you did see the thumbnail correctly. It says, do what? Eat less equals more energy. And some people are like, how the hell is that possible? What you mean? What you mean don't eat and have more energy? You want me to starve myself? No, no one's not saying for you to starve yourself. Calm down, calm down. People need to calm down. And first off, I gotta say, if you plan on watching this whole video, just be prepared to learn something, especially if you don't know anything about this whole concept I'm speaking on within the video that you clicked. So go ahead and hit the like button if you gain anything from this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Back to the message. It's amazing what the human body can do when you force it to grow. When you put the human body under pressure, you can literally create diamonds, or your human body diamond. Now, what people don't realize is that the body can be more efficient. Efficient. Do you know what efficiency means? Efficiency, in a nutshell, basically means how much fuel you need to consume to be able to do set tasks, to be able to do whatever. So in this situation, how much fuel do you need, or do you think you need, to be able to get through your whole day and be productive, get all your stuff done, do your exercise, work out, and take care of your kids and all that other good stuff. Here's another thing that's sad that a lot of people don't know. To make things simpler, your body can be compared to a car, okay? So think about the car that's outside. So what's the first thing you need? Fuel, right? Fuel is your food that you put inside the car, right? So depending on the fuel you're using, what grade or what type of fuel, your combustion, the octane rating, it all depends on the need of the vehicle. But depending on the type of fuel you're using, you could be messing up your engine or your body. You could be causing your fuel lines or your intestines and veins to get clogged up. What? Your veins and arteries would be filled up with cholesterol clogging the arteries. And then your gut, sludge and buildup from horrible food over years. All these things are because of the food you have. And the downside of eating whatever you want, the downside of having improper fuel, the downside of all this stuff is going to be the side effects: bad gut health or clogged arteries. This makes your body or your vehicle less efficient, right? It's no wonder when you do a full tune up and fluid flush, everything runs better. You get an oil change. Oil is like the blood of your body. You get an oil change, your car like feels like it runs smooth. Like, damn, like, it didn't used to get up to second. I wasn't, man, power wasn't like that before. Like, think of it like the blood. Here's another fact about the human body. All your cells replace, completely replace. They all rebuild themselves and are replaced over a certain amount of time. Certain body parts faster than others. But every single organ on your body is not the same as it was years ago. So literally, depending on the food that you consume, you could be aging at an increased rate, or you could almost be doing a Benjamin Button thing and getting younger as the years go by. I'm 34 years old, and it's been easier for me to keep fat off these days, and I feel healthier and have more energy and have more demand, and I can do so much more stuff these days. I'm not saying I don't get tired, but what I'm saying is my body's so much more efficient. And if you want to learn what I'm talking about, stay tuned.